Like next time. Can I have some?
You want you want it off?
Huh?
You want that off?
Off and still smoke.
Lights go.
Okay. In our HPG project through GIS, we have like two sources are there. One is EDI and non-EDI. EDI is nothing but electronic data interchange. This is something which is not electronic data interchange. These are mostly basically we create orders in different web applications. And okay, today we are going to discuss on the online gifting. Online gifting is it's a web application. I'll show you the application, and it's a non-EDI. This is nothing but source. Source is non-EDI. So non-EDI kind of orders will come from online gifting to OTC through GIS. The whole process is like through online gifting we'll place orders. I'll show you how to create an order in online gifting application, and after submission of order, can you just open online gifting address?
Yeah.
After submission of order, it will create a file with some standard format in the FTP server. We call it as FTP location. Once there is another application, it's called GIS Sterling. GIS Sterling application. Here we will have all the business process that will fetch the data from this FTP server to pre-staging of OTC. Okay, this is the application. Here we will run business process that will fetch us data from here to OTC pre-staging schema. Once the orders are available in OTC pre-staging, one job will be there, that is gift import. It's a OTC job that will process the data from pre-staging and will get the data to OTC application. Okay, so this is how the complete process.
So you are bypassing the OTC order process.
Sorry.
So we are not doing the order process through OTC right here.
That is, I mean, like OTC order creation will be of different sources. Okay. If it is like mailed order, emailed order, something like these are like, let's call as manual order. Okay. If it is manual orders, then we'll create from create, maintain, order screen. Okay. That Santosh has shown you, right?
So you have web order,
This is one kind of one source, say one source of orders. Okay. And another one is like pub mail order. Just I'm telling like how many kinds that we can be able to create orders. Okay, this is PubMail order. This can be created from create maintain PubMail screen. Sorry, PubMail upload screen. PubMail upload screen, and another one is like order upload. There we have a specific template will be there, that is which is in .csv format. They from upload order using Excel template screen. There is one screen under order processing module. Okay, upload order using Excel template. This is the screen where we will upload the order files. And other one is like EDI, that comes from here we use Linux to process the data. These are like specified format. Specified format files will be there. I'll show you whenever we discuss this. EDI. This is EDI. Another one is online gifting. This is OneSource that today we are going to discuss. These orders will be placed through application and will get into OTC through this process. Okay. And another one is Rose orders. This is also one web application will be there. This is similar kind of flow will be there. Here the same in the US selling application will run a business process, that is Rose related business process, and after processing of this business process, the orders will be available at pre-staging, and then instead of gift import, here we will run Rose import job to get these orders. And there are non-EDI, which is nothing but web orders that we will discuss further. And fast list and publicity. These are the various sources of orders that we will have in OTC.
Non-EDI has 4 lists.
Fast list. Fast list. This is also a kind of non-EDI. Here for fast list also there is one application. Actually fast list orders we won't deal with fast list. I mean creation and all we don't.
Last list
PubEasy.
Okay.
This is also a web application is there. Then we'll create, and this is like instant orders. I mean as soon as we create orders in PubEasy and submit the order, we'll be able to find in the OTC. Okay, these are the different sources of.
So, mother, can you take a picture? 1 second, you are transferring whatever you are taking to the file.
Sure.
Earlier also you clicked a couple of pictures.
Yeah, आपको मेल पे भेजा था ना?
You didn't put it in the shared folder?
कर दूँगा मैं.
It's better. As in when just take this because I want this picture. But take the whole one. This is the file, it's not FS, it's another one. Online gifting.
Lot process. Yeah, this is the one. You only have Google Chrome, you don't have Firefox.
Mozilla Firefox?
Yeah.
Why it is only Firefox compatibility online, right?
Yeah, online gifting doesn't support IE, but I'm not sure. We don't use Google Chrome. Let me check. Yeah. I have sent you a upload file. Address upload file.
No, right click, save as target as.
Uh-huh.
Right click on that.
Yeah.
Save target as, save.
Okay.
So, this one. You want that online gift documents also? Second document.
No, this is FS.
The same,
Okay.
same.
Okay. Okay. I mean, whatever the description that I have told you on board, like online gifting application will produce an order file, which is a flat file, and FTP the data for ingestion into GIS. That means as soon as we submit order in online gifting application, it produces a order file, and you will get a confirmation email. Like suppose if I am logging to online gifting application to place an order with my credentials. Okay, after submission of order, I'll get a confirmation mail to my email. Okay, like the order has been created, so on, so like information, whatever the ISBNs that we used and all information will be available in that email. Okay, after that GIS will transmit the OG order file and load the data to OTC pre-staging table. This is, I mean, in the from the GIS Sterling application, we'll run a business process wherein it translates the order file that OG has created, like a flat file, and loaded the data to OTC pre-stage tables. Okay, OTC will have scheduled job to validate. Yeah, this is the, I mean, if it is a production, it will be run through schedule, but if it is in a test environment, we will be able to run manually. Okay, the job is nothing but gift import. Gift import job is there, which is used to import the orders from pre-staging table to OTC. As and when the orders flows to OTC, we'll have one order. What is that exception report cargo? We'll have a confirmation job. Order confirmation job will be there, which sends the data to online gifting application, like whether the order was successfully processed or in which status that order was in OTC. That information will be flows to OTC. From OTC to online gifting. This OTC will produce and stage acknowledgement data. This acknowledgement is nothing but the order confirmation, we call it. GIS will retrieve and there is one outbound business process will be there in the GIS Sterling application, which retrieve this acknowledgement data from staging table, and again produces a flat file and in turn delivered to online gifting application. There in the online gifting application, that as after this acknowledgement data has been sent to online gifting, we'll be able to see the status of that particular order in online gifting application. Okay, so both inbound and outbound process will be there. This is handshaking with GIS, which is nothing but there is one table called control table in pre-staging. OTC INT pre-stage. This control table, as and when for every transmission of data in and out, this control table will create a new entry of record with the status and with the process name and all. So currently the process name for this gifting import is like, process name will be gift import, and the source flag is non-EDI, and INS timestamp, and this is the control table, like how it looks like. There is one control UID, which is it's a unique value that will be populated, and GIS ID. Whenever this any business process runs in GIS Sterling application, one GIS ID will be populated there. Okay, that is a unique ID for each transmission. This GIS ID will be populated, and you can be able to see in this control table. Okay, and the process name, as I said, gift import, and the source flag is non-EDI, and the timestamps, INS and updated timestamp, and status. Okay, the status of this control table will be like, when a business process is running in GIS Sterling application, if you check in the control table, the status will be like starting. After the business process completes, then the status would change to completed. After that, after the data is available in the pre-staging, we'll run the gift import job in OTC. After the run of that particular gift import job in OTC, the status of this control table will be changed to processed. So during the running of the job, it's starting. After completion of job in GIS Sterling, it will be completed, and after running of gift import job, it will be like processed. These are the different status in control table. So as you see, that gifting order load process. Okay, after completed, while running of this gift import job, if the job is in progress, then the status will be showing as processing. After completion of this job, it will be like processed. Starting, then completed, then processing, then processed. This is the structure of control table that I've explained you. Yeah. In the pre-staging, okay, once you have run the business process in GIS Sterling application and the data is available in the pre-staging, then the status of those records in the pre-staging will be with status R, which is nothing but ready. So whenever the gift import job runs, it will only look for the records with status R, and it will process those records. And if all the validations are successful, then it changes the status to P. If any error occur, it changes the status to E in the pre-staging table. So the pre-staging table for this is PO underscore HTR underscore PO header PSTG. Okay, PO underscore HTR underscore PSTG. All the whatever the sources I have explained, right, non-EDI, EDI, rows, fast list, then online gifting, all these orders will be available in the same table. But batches, the processing of records in that particular table will be of different batches.
You show us, right?
Yeah, I'll show. This is the table structure of pre-staging table. This account number, order type, these information will be, I'll show you. These are some of the PO import validations, that is gift import job validations. That means ISBN, whatever the order that we have created in online gifting order, this is the ISBN validation. Like if it is a valid ISBN, then only the particular record will be processed. Otherwise, it will be error out. Basically, this is a gifting order. This gifting orders will have only only 3 accounts will be there. 3, I guess, or only 2 accounts. only 2 accounts will be there. For domestic is nothing but US and Canada or international one, both orders will be like of with the same account number. Okay, and one more thing is like in online gifting application we don't provide account number. Okay, just we'll have the ISBNs, we'll select the ISBNs, we'll select the quantity and we'll give the ship to address. Okay, based on the address the account will be like fetched in OTC. Like if suppose you have provided ship to address as US address, okay, then if it is US address, this account number 197000086, by default it will take and it will populate in the pre-staging table. Okay, if it is Canada or international address, that is ship to address, then one more account number is there, that will be auto populated in the pre-staging table. Actually this is the old FS, there are many changes has come up after this. Let me explain you in detail. This is the online gifting application.
So do you have any credentials? You need to get the credentials for this?
Yeah.
Vandana, do you?
Okay, I'm just not. We'll try with our whatever network.
Network credentials.
Is this different or is it the same network credentials which we use for address?
This is actually my credentials.
Maybe we can try, otherwise I'll ask.
BS portal means I think we can access that.
Oh, that's a I had a thing. Let me try with mine.
You have the BS portal in the document. Use that credentials, not the network.
Which one?
BS portal, use that
Let
one.
me try.
Yeah. This is how the online gifting application looks. So there is a title search field will be there. In that, let me give any of the search criteria. This is publisher is nothing but reporting group. Let me take Grand Central Publishing, which is nothing but with owner HP. Okay, HP and publisher is of Grand Central Publishing, and let me search. Just it's a search criteria. Okay, I'm selecting. So okay, whatever the ISBNs that are under publisher Grand Central Publishing will show in this particular search result section, and you may select any of the titles, and here the title card will be populated with your selected ISBNs, and you can provide the quantity here. Just 10, okay. If you provide the same quantity like 10 and 10 in this title card section, like we'll be able to add the ship to address in two ways. One is manual, you can manually enter the ship to address, or else other one is like upload. Okay, if you want to upload the ship to addresses, okay, I mean at a time you can upload n number of like 100, 200, any number of ship to address, and for each ship to address one order will be created. Suppose if you have uploaded 5 ship to addresses, then 5 orders will be created. Okay, and
but currently we have only 2 orders, right?
2 orders. No, this is the ISBNs. These are the ISBNs. So if you provide, so I have provided the same quantity because I am trying. Now I'll upload the ship to address. Okay, and add ship to address. Choose file. Okay, this is the file. It should be in Excel format. Open. Okay, let me show you the file. This address should be in specific format. Okay, I have taken one US address and one Canada address, one international address. Okay, so now the three orders will be generated. Okay, with the same ISBNs. Okay, order lines will be that 2 ISBNs, and order will be like 3 orders will be created. So okay, then after choosing the file, preview file. Now whatever the data that is available in the Excel sheet will be show up here. Okay, and you are not manually entering any of the shipped orders, so you click on this checkbox and delete selected ship to address, and then click on review order. Okay, so this is the last part, metadata arrive by date. It arrive by this is nothing but must arrive by date, MAB in OTC. If you provide any data here, this will be this will flow and get populated in the order screen. Okay,
By giving that data.
yeah, same day, yeah, arrive by, let me give any of the 30th September I have provided. This is usage details. This will also be populated in the order screen that I'll show you. Additional comments, you can provide any of the comments, test 1, 2, 3. Okay, then this is the last, submit order. Are you sure you want to submit this order? Yes. So your order has been sent. So now this order which we have placed in online gifting application is successfully submitted. Okay, now a confirmation email will be sent to my email ID. That I can't show you. I'll just forward you once the session is completed. Okay, so now the online gifting order has been successfully created. As I said, like since we have uploaded 3 ship to address, one for US, one for Canada, and one for international, 3 orders will be created. Okay.
So what exactly this online gifting means? Especially customers will give any gift to the
Yeah, this
accounts,
is
that's what
basically
means.
gift. Yeah.
So through OTC process, it should be carried out.
Yeah.
Right? Just close this session and open it.
It's not connecting for me also.
Can you save it? Just save it. No, the last.
This one?
Ah, yeah.